I just couldn't figure out how to use my camera, and yeah, I totally postponed any ideas of video. But well, I just wanted to bring a video about 5 options of outfits with dresses that could be helpful for these holidays and that work out for our body type, that is an inverted triangle. So, just fast facts. What is an inverted triangle? Is all of us that have a broader upper part than our hips. In general, our proportions are more heavy on the top, and on the bottom we tend to have smaller hips and even hip dips in order to make our body type work for us. The only thing that we need to do is try to balance it by wearing the proper clothes, anything that you like really, but whatever makes you feel comfortable. But here are some guidelines as always. And I wanted to make a summer version for holiday dresses, holiday outfits, because in my country, when Christmas comes, it is always summer. I hope this video is useful. Yeah.
So, as our first option, we have this gingham dress in black and white. Note the details, such as the V-neck, and also the fact that it is tucked in the smallest point of your waist. This is actually very important if you want to maintain your proportions. The third point is the A-line skirt that helps us to emphasize the hourglass shape. And if you want to add a detail and make the outfit more interesting, you can add a belt. Just make sure it is not too thick. And I really don't know anything about shoes, but let's try with these platforms that match the color scheme of the dress. I am not good with heels, but platforms seem to be very comfortable, and in this case I think the outfit actually matches. And that's it, so let's go with the next one. So, here we have the perfect version of the potato sack dress that we have all seen, but there is a secret to this one. It comes with one of those pull-me strings that help us to define our waist, and that is what I'm doing here. So you will see the difference. Now I've got an A-line skirt, and on top of that it is very nice to have ruffles at the bottom. And about the top part, just remember it should be plain, and if you want you can add a sleeve with some details at the end. About the shoes, I have no idea again, but maybe this will work. If you have some nude sandals, those would be the best option. These are the closest thing to that I own, so here we go. And we're ready, so we can go to the next one. So this is our next victim. I found out that a great way to draw attention away from your upper part is to wear short dresses. Yes. So if you're comfortable with that, please go ahead. Recommendations are that always remember that the waist should be at your smallest point, and also the top part should be quite structured. Don't forget about the details such as the V-neck and these interesting sleeves. They're very cute, I think. And as for the shoes, I think I will use the same ones again because I don't own anything else. So just remember that if you use nude shoes, they will help to elongate your legs and make you look taller. So yeah, we're ready and we can go to the next. This one is absolutely one of my favorites. It is very simple but so elegant at the same time. The length is similar to the last one, helping you to draw attention down, and it also has the A skirt. It is important that the upper part is always structured, and just ignore the part where I couldn't zip my own dress. Anyways, as for the top part, even though it is not a V-neck, it still maintains the hourglass shape since you have the A-line skirt, so it is very important. For the shoes, well, let me try these ones. Yeah, I think a sandal would be even better, but let's work with what we have here. It is very simple but very pretty at the same time, and the important thing is that you are comfortable in it. So, yep, we go to the next one. If it is just too hard to survive in the hot with any of the other options, you can wear this kind of dress. It is very simple, just don't mind the fact that it's not ironed. But anyways, let's start from the top. Same guidelines apply. Top is structured and the bottom is always flare. Very wide. It is important. I cannot emphasize enough the importance to have the waistline at the proper place, not too high and not too low. It will make you look bad, okay? So, perfect place. Yes. Even if you have these kind of things, they do not add anything bad to your silhouette. And as you can see, it will be just very simple and flowy. In this case, I will try with these shoes. They are not super fancy, but I think they're fun. They add a little something to the dress. We're finished, yay! So, would you wear any of these dresses? Let me know in the comments.
Yay, so that's the video. I hope you find it useful. Remember that the most important thing in order to find out what works for you is to experiment, and a very useful way to experiment and find out what your style is and what works exactly for you is to thrift. And I really recommend it because you will find some things that are not necessarily on trend but that work for your silhouette, and it is cheaper and it is environmental friendly. So anyways, I just hope that you guys are safe during these holidays and take it as an opportunity to experiment in the comfort of your house. I just hope that you guys enjoy this, find it useful, and apply it, because the less clothes that you make mistakes with are less clothes that go to the landfill. So that's all. See you!